Yay! If you had fun watching this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Let's keep the good vibes going.